lot of people are going, "Oh my God, Gmail controls the world." And I think people should take it with a grain of salt because it's not actually hard to deliver mail to Gmail. What it is
Sis.
easy to do is it's easy to configure things wrong sometimes, and it's tough to keep up with the evolution of security requirements, system requirements, and that's not that unique to just email, right? Everything on the internet is a lot more complicated now than it was 25 years ago, and you can't just stand up a server and not have a firewall like you might have done and turned on Telnet like you might have done in the late 90s and have everything be fine. The same thing's true with email. It's very easy to set up an email server and be able to send an email. I just to kind of prove that I could do it. Not earlier this year, a number of months ago, I set up a mail in a box, which is webmail, postfix, Dovecot, a bunch of other stuff. That I ran it in Google Cloud,